What is Rejuvenating Set? These are skincare products that are grouped together as a set. This contains bar soap, toner, whitening cream, and sunblock cream. Then what are the benefits of rejuvenating products? It eliminates hyperpigmentation, improves acne scars, improves skin texture, improves skin tone, reduce appearance of fine lines, reduce appearance of wrinkles, and tightens loose skin. Professional Skincare Formula by Dr. Alvin Kojic Acid Soap. This soap is a premium grade kojic acid from Japan. Is used to help bear a healthier, radiant, lighter skin underneath. This product is proven safe and effective to soften and reveal even skin tone by gently smoothing away dark spots, discoloration, and other imperfections. This is clinically proven to whiten skin as early as 3 days. Just a disclaimer, darker skin tone may take longer days to whiten skin. The Rejuvenating Toner. This toner removes deep-seated dirt, good for whitening skin, anti-wrinkle, and anti-acne. The Rejuvenating Cream. This cream moisturizes the skin, whitens the skin, renew old skin, and exfoliate for glass skin. The Sunblock Cream. This cream protects your skin from UVA rays that cause skin aging and UVB rays that cause skin burning, and also lock in moisture for healthier skin. The Dr. Alvin Rejuvenating Set contains agents that will help whiten your skin, help eliminate usual skin problems like pimples, acne, skin pigmentation, discoloration, blackheads, and whiteheads. You can use Rejuvenating Set for 30 days as standard advice of dermatologists to make your skin totally exfoliate and becomes brighter. The recommended second treatment is the maintenance set to revitalize your skin from exfoliation. Instruction for use. During daytime, rejuvenating soap use as daily cleanser. Lather on wet skin to remove dirt and excess oil. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Second, rejuvenating facial toner. After cleansing with rejuvenating soap, apply rejuvenating facial toner on your face with a cotton pad. Do not rinse. Use it for 30 days only. Thereafter, use maintenance toner. The last one, sunblock gel or sunblock cream. Apply sunblock 30 minutes before sun exposure for maximum protection. Reapply every 2 to 3 hours, especially if your exposure to sun is frequent or for long period. Instruction during nighttime, rejuvenating soap use as daily cleanser. Lather on wet skin to remove dirt and excess oil. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Second, rejuvenating facial toner. After cleansing with rejuvenating soap, apply rejuvenating facial toner on your face with a cotton pad. Do not rinse. Use it for 30 days only. Thereafter, use maintenance toner. The last one, rejuvenating cream. Apply thinly all over your face for 30 nights only. Thereafter, use maintenance cream. Reminder, do a skin test before using these products. Skin test, apply each product at the inner portion of the arm and observe for 24 hours. If there are any signs of adverse reaction, such as irritation, excessive redness, swelling, or burning sensation, do not use the product. Do not apply on wounded skin. Avoid exposure to sun during treatment. For toner, limit application to 10% of body surface area. Rejuvenating facial toner and rejuvenating facial cream are not recommended for use by pregnant and lactating women and below 18 years of age. Store in a cool and dry place at temperature not exceeding 30 degrees Celsius. Before and after regular use of this product for 30 days. Thank you for watching. Till next time.